Warm up. Warm up.
He warms up before the match. He warms up before the match. She warms up before training. She warms up before training.
Stretch. Stretch.
He stretches his legs. He stretches his legs. She stretches before running. She stretches before running. Dribble. Dribble. He dribbles the ball quickly. She dribbles past the defender. She dribbles past the defender. Pass. Pass. He passes the ball to his teammate. She passes the ball quickly. She passes the ball quickly. Shoot. Shoot. He shoots the ball. He shoots the ball. She shoots toward the goal. She shoots toward the goal.
Block. Block.
He blocks the shot. He blocks the shot. She blocks the ball. She blocks the ball. Defend. Defend. He defends the goal. He defends the goal. She defends her team. She defends her team. Attack. Attack. He attacks the opponent. She attacks quickly. She attacks quickly. Balance. He balances on one leg. She balances her body. She balances her body.
Practice. Practice.
He practices every day. She practices her skills. She practices her skills.